Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to BONK video update today, and the monthly is looking so good for BONK. Look at this, right? Very nice, good green candle right over there. Technical target finally is met. We've nailed it right on the money. And what can I say again, right? So this was your 4,432, and it actually met it just. I mean, look at the tip of that head right over there. Like, it went up there, kissed it, and say, "Hey, I'm done." Now, I think we supposedly we may see a little bit of a higher technical target as well. Now, the reason I think there could be a higher target is maybe perhaps I missed this one being a continuation pattern. Like, there's a little bit of a pennant right over there, and if I take the trend line for this pennant, then I mean, guys, look at this though. Before I tell you the next thing, do you remember when we started off? If you've been following the channel, if you're not following the channel, do make sure, because it was just some couple of days ago when I was saying that, hey, this is the bank system, buy here, and eventually thinking that it's gonna go back up. And look at this, it actually went over there. We went to the target, we're moving up, we went to this target, everything played out very, very beautifully. And yeah, so the pennant target here is from top to bottom, and BONK still may have another room to climb up to probably 5043. I think there's a little bit of this thing that can happen. We might see a sudden push in the future. You could still see a move down like this as well, and then maybe go back up. That still will be okay. That's fine. What I'm going to say is that your stop loss for BONK is going to be down at 3043. So 3043 is the dead end. Anything above here is pretty good. You still have the room to actually make more climb. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.